If you ask a lady what kind of man she wants, she's most likely not going to state, a short guy. Nevertheless, that does not imply that a brief man can't get laid, get a sweetheart or find himself a gorgeous other half. He can. How? He just has to be able to attract ladies with his personality, confidence, and capacity as a guy, rather than relying on drawing in ladies with his height or absence thereof. E. He's confident, charismatic, alpha, he the capacity to do well in life or is currently doing well, etc. See this video to see how it works the fairy tale fantasy of little girls. Millions of little girls mature dreaming of one day satisfying their Prince Charming and living a happily ever after fairy tale life. If you're one of them, the harsh truth is that the more hung up on your height you are and the more you bring a chip on your shoulder over the reality that fairy tales never ever consist of a brief Prince Charming, the more most likely it is that you'll struggle to discover women who like short men. It's not your height that will be making you less attractive, it will be your insecurity over your height that's doing that for you. Think of it for a moment. If ladies were only thinking about a male's height, typical height people and much shorter than typical height people would never ever find themselves a girlfriend. It is for some, but not for most of ladies. You just require to have a look around at your regional shopping center to see guys of every height out shopping with their other half, sweetheart or lover. If you are a short man who is stopping working to get laid, get a sweetheart or find yourself an other half, what is the real reason ladies aren't thinking about you? Enjoy this video to learn short star guys who succeed with the ladies. It's easy for stars to get laid due to the fact that ladies have a reason to be drawn into them for factors aside from just looks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.